Ready to turn your Solana into USDT right inside your Trust wallet? Alright, let's dive in first. Make sure you have Solana SOL in your Trust wallet. You should see it listed on your main wallet screen, showing your available SOL balance. If you don't see it, you might need to edit by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner and searching for Solana. Next, look for the swap or exchange icon at the bottom of your Trust wallet interface. It usually looks like two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Tap on it to access the exchange feature. Now, you'll be on the exchange screen. In the You Pay field, select Solana SOL in the You Get field. Select USDT Tether. If you don't see USDT, use the search bar to find it. Enter the amount of SOL you want to convert to USDT. In the You Pay field, the Trust wallet will automatically calculate the equivalent amount of USDT you'll receive, taking into account the current exchange rate. Before you proceed, pay close attention to the network fee displayed below. This is the cost of processing the transaction on the Solana network. Also, note the slippage tolerance. Slippage is the difference between the expected price and the price at which the trade is executed. Once you're happy with the amounts and you understand the fees, tap the swap or exchange button. You'll be presented with a confirmation screen showing all the details of the transaction. Review everything carefully. If everything looks good, confirm the swap. The transaction will be processed, and you'll soon see your USDT balance updated in your Trust wallet. And that's it. You've successfully converted Solana to USDT.